8 most famous offices around the world, homes for luckiest employees. Google, headquarters, Mountain View, California, USA. Google's office is anything but just an office. You want to hit the gym, you may. You want to work in a jungle, you may. You want to do a rock concert, you may. There is no stopping you at Google. Which is why it almost always tops the best place to work list. Selgas Cano Architecture, headquarters, Calle Guecho, Madrid, Spain. This Spanish architectural firm is a dream for every employee. With designs set to match the forest landscapes, the employees often have the feel of nature while going through their daily rigors. Inventionland Design Factory, headquarters, Pittsburgh, USA. Don't get confused seeing employees working on a ship, since you might have just seen a pirate operating. Designed in a manner which is so unusual that it never gives the idea of a traditional office. We can't wait to be here. YouTube, headquarters, San Bruno, California, USA. The company which taught this generation how to be cool, doesn't lag behind the style quotient when it comes to its office. It has everything which a freelancer would love at his office. That's right, it's the perfect combination of a home meeting office. Facebook, headquarters, Menlo Park, California, USA. The company which gave the sheen to Silicon Valley, a company which bulldozed the startup culture. Facebook's office redefines the way an employee looks at his company. Not for nothing it is Facebook, you see. White Mountain Data Center, headquarters, Stockholm, Sweden. Located in an old nuclear bunker deep below the city of Stockholm, sealed away from the world by entrance doors 16 inches thick. Pioneer was completely redesigned in 2007 to 2008 to become the data center that it is today. More than 4,000 cubic meters of solid rock was used to make more room. Red Bull, headquarters, Fuskel, Austria. The Red Bull offices, designed by Jump Studios, is one of the greatest office designs in London. The hyperactivity and adrenaline overload associated with Red Bull energy drinks are exactly what inspired the design of their brand new headquarters located in London Soho district. Microsoft, headquarters, Redmond, Washington, USA. The company's office in Vienna, Austria is 3-storied offices, which feature themed meeting rooms including a hunting lodge and ocean. The overall office space combines a number of colorful, fresh, and eye-catching design elements to create what is probably Microsoft's most creative office.